Okay, it seems that Screencastify works if you use PowerPoint online. So you can create your PowerPoints as you always do in the full version, and then open it from Office 365, the online version. Then when you go to launch the presentation mode, we have full screen. Now those Screencastify shortcuts will work. So if I select Alt+Shift+S on the keyboard, it launches the Screencastify. And then if I select Alt+Shift+R, it pulls up the window to share the screen. I'm going to tap the screen that I'm going to share, select share, and now you can begin discussing everything that's on the slide. I only have one slide here. And then when you're ready to stop, you can hit stop sharing. And here is the sample recording right here. So that should work. Now, there was a pop-up on my Mac initially, and I should have recorded that, but it said it'll open up settings saying that you have to give Chrome permissions to record the screen. So that may pop up. So one more time. Let's see if I can bypass a step. Here's my, escape. Here's my presentation online, my PowerPoint presentation. I'm opening it online. Okay, so remember in Office 365, I have all the apps. You can open up your PowerPoint from there. Here it is. Then I go to full screen, presentation mode, top or bottom, same thing. Full screen. And then again, the keys are Option-Shift. I already have it open, so this time I'm just going to go Option-Shift+R. Yes, and it pops open right away. Tap the screen I'd like to record and share. And then you can be discussing the digestive system or whatever is on your slide. I hope this helps. Okay, bye.